Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Ford Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote keyless entry, auto-off headlights, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel, variable speed intermittent wipers, AM/FM stereo radio. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.